What did you do this summer?
In fact, I started to change how much I slept. I slept less and woke up earlier. I changed my diet in order to lose weight, and I began to eat healthy food. I have become less barbaric on food. I fixed my relationship with my enemies and became a tolerant person. I never quarreled anymore. I made good friends, not bad friends. My new friends advised me to read and meditate and improve my life. I became a very calm person and not nervous at all. And I got rid of my psychological complexes and depression, and I became mentally stable. I traveled all countries of the world. I reduced staying up late and using the phone, and started following targeted content. And I learned new hobbies. It has been a very interesting and very happy summer full of joy and good news.
Meow. Meow.
That is so